Okay, let's look at number 7. So this is a stereotypical factoring question, and so what I want to do is I want to factor out x squared plus 2x minus 63. So when I do this, I start off by asking myself what times what is x squared? That is going to be x and x. Then I go to the back and I say what times what is 63. Now, don't put too much thought into this. Try to pick numbers that are close together. I think for most people, 9 and 7 is what's going to pop into their mind. And then you look here and you ask yourself with the number 2, can I add or subtract 9 and 7 and get 2? Well, clearly 9 minus 7 is 2, and those are the factors. Then we go to the bottom and we just rewrite it, and look at that. Because we are doing a multiplication problem, right, x plus 9 and x plus 9 map up, they divide out, and we're left with x minus 7. So my final answer is x minus 7. I do also want to note a good test-taking strategy is if you, let's say, you should be able to do this factoring, but let's say you weren't. I could make up a number. If you make up a number for x, let's say x is, I don't want to use numbers in the problems, and I don't want to use 0 and 1. So the next number that makes sense is 3. So if I plug 3 into here and here for x, then I get 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 63. On the denominator, we get 3 plus 9. And so if I clean this up, I get 9 plus 6 minus 63 all over 12, which gives me 15 minus 63 all over 12, which is going to give me negative 48 over 12, and negative 48 over 12 is going to be 4, negative 4, okay? What does this negative 4 tell me? It says if I plug 3 into my answer choices, the one that gives me an answer of negative 4 is the correct answer. So you can see that A works, and this is going to be 9 minus 7, which is 2. That's not going to work. This is going to be 3 plus 7, which is 10. And I don't even need to solve this. I got a minus 54 in the back, which is going to mean that it's going to be not a very pretty number. So this one's going to be wrong as well. So A is the answer. So anytime you have variables in the question in the answer choice, you can plug in numbers, and I'd encourage you to do that if you suddenly forget how to solve the problem algebraically. But I do also want to stress that you really should know the algebra, and the algebra way is a lot easier. So hopefully that helps you guys out.